Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you a beginner how I install this water wave human Brazilian hair that I purchased right here in Trinidad and Tobago. Showing you the cap construction now. 3 combs at the front, 1 at the back, adjustable straps and elastic band. Alright guys, I have worn this wig before, so I already cut the lace. Right now I'm trying to find the baby hair that's supposed to already been there. The unit comes pre-plucked. It was not bleached, as in the knots were not bleached. So I attempted to do that. I think I overdid it, however. So I had this unit in some twists from the last time I wore it, so it's a bit dry, yet it's still set. However, I'm going to prepare it for another install. So I'm just, undoing it, loosening up the curls a bit, as you can see here. The hairline did come pre-plucked, however I'm going to attempt to take off some more hair from the hairline. Yep, I'm just going in as light as possible, as I did not want to overdo it. Because, like I said, I'm a beginner. This is the very first time I'm doing all of these things that you're seeing here, which I have learned from watching many YouTube channels. Oh my gosh, we are so talented people. Alright guys, so this is the Lotta Buddy foaming mousse, and here your girl is trying to do some baby hair. I feel terribly, but I tried anyway. That baby hair was not setting for nothing, but I still tried. I saw someone do it, you see, so said I can do that too. Yeah, joke. Alright, so I found that for this hair to really come to life, you have to drench it. Look at those curls, and that is just water. So I retwisted the hair overnight, and the plan is to leave it, let it stay for at least 8 hours. Alright, let's see what we have here. Left it on for about half an hour because the baby woke up and I have to feed her and have to fix the face. Ooh, child. Alright guys, do not let this cast scare you. Let me try and fix that now before we style Miss Lady here. I'm gonna give her a name. I did give her a name. Her name is Charisse. I feel like feeling like a Charisse when I wear this. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I am still trying with the baby hair. I think I'm good with what I came up with, at least for this install. I'm drenching the hair to bring it to life. I had to soak that hair. I also decided to go in with some moisturizer for additional definition as well as moisture, because I don't know if it was the heat, but it was so hot and that hair was drying out in no time at all. Now I'm using the hot comb on the lowest heat just to straighten out the top. There were a few flyaways. Now taking some of my pressed powder and going into the parting space just to enhance that scalp. Alright guys, I believe I'm done. Yeah. Tell me, what do you think? Give me some tips on how to make my slay even easier, because let me tell you, it was not easy. Alright, check it out from the back. Curls for the girls. Side views. And that's it for this slay. I had fun doing it and I hope you had fun watching. Thank you guys so much. Do not forget to subscribe. And I shall see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.